Hello, hello. It is day 5 of the Agent a Day challenge. And today, on this quiet Friday night, I have for you a simple agent that goes ahead and puts logos on images of things. So, as an example demo here, I have our Relevance AI logo, and I have this picture of a car. I could say put the Relevance logo on the car, and it's going to go ahead and start working. So this uses OpenAI's Image API, and it also has functionality in it to put the images onto a Google Docs. So it can make Google Docs if you haven't made one already, but if there is one, so we have one loaded in here. This is where you'd put the Google Docs that you want the images to be put in. So if it has a Google Docs link already, it doesn't need to do this, and it just goes ahead and appends the picture to our Google Docs. So let's just see the run. The run is working. If we open this tool, the tool is pretty straightforward and simple. It uses the Relevance AI text to image generation step. You can get it through text to image over here, text to image generation. This one here, this will get you this. And the inputs is it's very simple. It's just the prompt over here and the image URLs, and we're using OpenAI GPT image 1 as the model. So now let's go back. Let's have a look at our image placer here. Go to run. It looks like it's still working, but you can see like past examples of our document. It's able to put the logo on a table. We put the logo on the moon, logo on the mountains, logo on a balloon. I don't know why I'm rhyming, but I'm rhyming. we have a logo on the cloud, and it's on the table again. Oh, and it's done. It put the logo on the car, and yeah, that's it's pretty cool. You can probably change this up to, if you want to be able to do this through Slack, you can use one of the previous agents and connect that Slack functionality up with this. So you can tell a bot in Slack to make you an image or something and then put it into Google Docs. That works. But yeah, conceptually, it's pretty simple. It's just showcasing two functionalities we have here, which is text to image generation and a Google Docs integration. So yeah, nothing too heavy for a Friday night. Enjoy your weekend and see you again tomorrow. Bye.